In today's video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your Trello dashboard efficiently so you can manage your projects faster and stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you're brand new to Trello or you've been using it for a while but feel like you're not taking full advantage of the dashboard, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. When you first log into Trello, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your control center. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the top navigation bar. This is one of the most important areas to understand because it allows you to move between boards quickly and access key features. One of the fastest ways to switch between boards is by pressing the B key on your keyboard. This opens the board switcher instantly. From here, you can search for any board by name and jump directly into it without manually clicking around. This shortcut alone can save you a lot of time, especially if you manage multiple projects. Still in the top navigation bar, you'll also see access to your starred boards and recent boards. Starred boards are the ones you've marked as important. If you regularly work on specific projects, make sure to star them so they're always easy to find. Recent boards show the boards you've opened lately, which makes it simple to jump back into ongoing work. Next, you'll notice your Workspace option in the top bar. Clicking into your Workspace lets you see all boards that belong to that specific team or project group. This is especially useful if you collaborate with others. Instead of searching individually for boards, you can browse everything organized under that workspace. Now let's move to the board level. Once you're inside a specific board, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the board menu. If it's collapsed, click Show Menu to expand it. The right-hand menu gives you access to essential board settings. Here you can adjust permissions, change the background, manage labels, and configure automation rules. You'll also find the filtering option. Filters allow you to quickly display cards assigned to specific members, cards with certain labels, or cards with due dates. This is extremely helpful when you want to focus only on tasks relevant to you or your current priority. Another powerful section inside the right-hand menu is Power-Ups. Power-Ups extend Trello's functionality by integrating additional features like calendar views, time tracking, reporting tools, and third-party app connections. If you want to enhance your workflow, this is where you enable those advanced features. Now here's something many users overlook. At the top of your board, right next to the board name, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down menu and you'll see different view options, including Dashboard View. Switching to Dashboard View allows you to see project metrics and visual summaries of your board's data. Instead of just viewing cards in lists, you can see charts, workload distribution, due date breakdowns, and other performance insights. This is incredibly useful for project managers or team leads who need a high-level overview of progress without digging into every single card. By combining the top navigation bar for switching boards, the workspace for organizing projects, the right-hand menu for settings and filters, and the dashboard view for analytics, you can move through Trello smoothly and efficiently. Once you get comfortable with these areas, navigating Trello becomes second nature. So to quickly recap, use the B shortcut to switch boards instantly. Rely on starred and recent boards for quick access. Explore your workspace for team organization, use the right-hand menu for settings, filters, and power-ups, and switch to dashboard view for powerful project insights. That's how you navigate your Trello dashboard efficiently. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.